all seen tons of online courses pop up over the last few years. In fact, even before the pandemic, the e-learning market in the US will have grown by $6 billion between 2017 and 2022, according to Technavio. It can be overwhelming to choose the perfect fit while knowing it's a worthwhile investment. I'm Haley Jenkins, coach at Learn Grant Writing and founder of Golden Isles Grant Writing, and today we're going to deep dive into the 5 best online grant writing courses this year that give you the best bang for your buck. Interested in grant writing or taking your existing skills to the next level? Well, you're in luck. We've done the legwork to simplify your search for the best online grant writing courses. But first, let's talk about what makes a course truly valuable. Here are the top 3 criteria you should consider, and I'm going to break them down for you. Number 1, courses tailored to your level of grant writing. Look for courses that meet you where you're at in your grant writing journey. Avoid overly niche courses and find some that cater to your broad range of skill level. Number 2, practical application. The best courses don't just impart knowledge. They show you how to apply it in the real world. We'll guide you towards courses that empower you to take what you've learned and put it into practice. Number 3, continued support. Learning doesn't end with the course. The top-notch ones offer continued support, whether it's through coaching, updated resources, or ongoing community engagement. These 4 courses I'll share check some of the boxes, but the very first one I'm going to share with you checks them all. Stay tuned to see which one applies best to you and your grant writing journey. For you deep divers out there, be sure to check out our post of the 19 best online grant writing classes for every learner, linked below. The number 1 grant writing class to take this year, the Global Grant Writers Collective. The Global Grant Writers Collective is a membership that is truly tailored to your level of experience in grant writing with online instructional videos, community certification, and coaching to teach you a step-by-step system for building a flexible career in grant writing. In addition to an ever-growing community and mentorship, there are live trainings offered twice a month by our team of coaches like me. There are 3 different avenues to take when you begin your journey with the Global Grant Writers Collective, unlike other educators in the space. The first path is for people brand new to grant writing. The second path is for existing consultants, and the third path is for in-house grant writers. This is the path that I started on. Essentially, we show you how to make your first $15K freelancing using the organic networking framework. Then, if you decide to land a job as an in-house grant writer, we support you in that path. Or, if you want to build a business, we show you how to work for yourself and build a vibrant grant writing consulting business. But it doesn't stop there. Once you land $50K in consulting revenue, or as a paid staff member, we give you access to a private mastermind group at no additional cost. Members of the collective also have access to an entire community of fellow grant writers, coaching and mentorship, and bonus trainings. These include logic and evaluation models, resume writing, fiscal sponsorship, federal grant training, contracting and retainer pricing, and more. The community is made up of over 600 members globally, and you're bound to find someone near you to connect with. It's one of the most invaluable pieces of the membership. Membership in the collective costs $500 per month or $6,000 annually. Check out these reviews and member spotlights to see how our community has changed members' lives and unlocked lucrative new careers. The collective was created for those looking for a career change and are interested in freelance grant writing or landing a new job. Plus, it brings the added benefits of a vibrant community and steadfast peer support. Whether you're completely new to grant writing or an existing consultant or an in-house grant writer, we have a path for you. Number 2 on our list, Grant Writing and Funding with Holly Rustick. This program offers 2 comprehensive courses. Grant Writing Master Course has 39 videos covering grant basics, finding opportunities, needs identification, proposal development, and budgeting. It is self-paced, available for $697 or in 6 payments of $129 each. The Freelance Grant Writing Master Course is specifically aimed at those aspiring to launch a grant writing business. It costs $997 or 6 installments of $183.20. Once you're in, you get access to sample grants and community engagement resources. The Grant Writing Master Course provides an extensive curriculum, but it's important to note that the Freelance Grant Writing Master Course is tailored specifically for those venturing into freelancing. In the realm of continued support, Grant Writing and Funding offers community engagement opportunities, enhancing the learning experience. So, if you're seeking mentorship and a vibrant community, Holly's program might just be the right fit for you in your grant writing journey. Check out to see if her vibe resonates with you. However, if you're a seasoned nonprofit grant writer, you might find the collective more aligned with your needs. Number 3 on the list, the Grant Professionals Association Next Level Grant Training. Next Level Grant Training is live online training to help folks advance their grant careers. The 2024 Next Level Grant Training topics include federal grants, research prospecting, best practices for reporting, and more. Next Level Grant Training features include 1 monthly class for 12 months, 1-hour sessions including Q&A, online archived class content for later reference, and a constant cohort of participants led by grant professional certified and GPA-approved trainers Cindy McKenzie and Scott Scala. Each session focuses on reinforcing the GPA Code of Ethics and related GPC competencies, along with providing participants the opportunity to earn up to 12 CEUs. This series is priced at $240 for members or $299 for non-members for the entire offering. These sessions are best for those especially interested in the ethical ins and outs of grant writing, those seeking to earn credits, and those already in established grant writing careers. GPA is considered the OG of grant writing education platforms. This course is definitely for more established grant writers, not newbies. But it does offer practical application. And guess what? They have an online community forum where members can post questions. As a member of GPA, I do find this helpful, but a little clunky. Number 4 on the list, the University of Georgia Grant Writing Courses and Certificate. The University of Georgia for Continuing Education offers 3 grant writing courses taught by the grant doctor, Dr. Beverly Browning. An introductory level course called Fundamentals of Grant Writing 1, a mid-level course called Fundamentals of Grant Writing 2, Beyond the Basics, and a higher level course called Advanced Grant Proposal Writing. Each course offers 24 hours of instruction for a total cost of $159. Interested students can enroll through the University of Georgia's website for an instructor-led version of the course or the self-paced version of the course. How does this course shape up with our criteria? Let's take a look. These courses definitely meet you where you're at in your grant writing journey with a few different levels of courses to choose from. In terms of practical application, these courses hit the nail on the head with gaining understanding about what funders are looking for in your grant applications. But as someone who has taken one of these courses, there is no continued support after the course is over. Remember, when you're looking for courses, you want to make sure that they hit the 3 criteria we mentioned throughout the video. Courses tailored to your experience level, practical application in the real world, and continued support. Be sure to check out this next video to keep learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.